I'm so excited to bring you the short athletic Pilates routine today. And remember, for all my full-length workouts, workout calendars, challenges, free app, and more, check out my unlimited program. The link is below. I am so excited for this workout today. This is what I call athletic Pilates. That means we're going to include some mobility, a lot of flow, some strength, and agility to get a great workout. This is something that you can use on its own, or you can use as an add-on to another workout. So we're going to start standing, and you're going to stand at the back of your mat, okay? Take an inhale. Exhale, tuck your chin, and roll down. We're just going to get right into it here. Take an inhale. Exhale, you're gonna walk your hands out to a plank, okay? Stay here for a moment. Then take your hips up and back. Walk your hands back and then roll back up. We're gonna do that a couple more times. So I encourage every level here to start and try this. Just jump in, see how it feels. I'm not giving a lot of modifications today because of the nature of this workout. But again, jump in, try it, skip what you need to, rest when you need to, and just have fun with it. And of course, you can always try one of my beginner Pilates routines if that is better suited to you today. Okay, walk yourself out. Stay here. Take those hips up and back. Take the right leg behind you, lift, lower, lift, lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it hovered. Come forward to a plank and do it again. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place the toes down. Take it up. Left foot. We're going to lift and lower. Try to keep those hips facing the ground. Relax your head. Last 2 and 1. Keep it hovered as you come forward. Find that strong plank. Do it again. 6, 5. And you can always bring a knee down. That's a great way to change this up if you need to. Foot down, curl the toes, come up. We're going to take the right leg up again, okay? We're going to come forward to a plank. And as you do, bring your right knee to the right elbow. Then up and back. Bring your right knee to the left elbow. Up and back. Again, right, back, left, back. Come forward and bring the knee to the center and hold it and hover for 3, 2, 1. Take it back, lift the leg. You can just open the hips up, place the foot down. Other side. Left leg up. We're going to come forward. Left knee to left elbow. And up. Really be strong in each part of this motion. That doesn't mean it's going to feel easy, okay? But think about your arms supporting your body. Think about using your core to help keep the knee in. Last one. Forward, knee in for 3, 2, 1. Take it up, open, and place that foot down. All right, on this next one, right leg's gonna lift again. I want you to come forward, step to the right of your hand. Take the left leg, step to the left. Arms in front, stand up, come back down, hands down, right foot back, left foot back again, but switch which side we do first. So left foot in, right foot in, up, down, left foot back, right foot back, right, left, stand, down, right, left, left, right. Strong in those legs. One more each side. Squat to come up. This is a great alternative to full burpees as well. Okay, so if you're not into the jumping, this can be a great alternative for hip mobility and strength. Hold that plank. 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down all the way onto your belly. Arms forward, legs back, lift everything and swim. I'm alternating arms and legs. Breathe here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. hands down, press up just for a moment. Oh, and then take it up and back. And then re-stack your spine. All right, we're gonna bring legs in front. Glue your legs together. Arms in front. Inhale, exhale, curl, curl, curl down. And then curl, 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 up and over. 2 more like that. So you'll see we're just flowing from one thing to another to help with everything that really we use in sports and in athletics. It can help us just in life, that agility, the mobility, the strength. Roll down. Pull the right knee in. Everything's hovering. Your chin is lifted. The left leg is up. Switch legs. Squeeze, squeeze, and really squeeze the leg in as you reach the other one out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten both legs. Pull the left one in. Switch. See if you can crunch even higher. 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs in. Roll down. We're going to bring our feet flat onto the mat, hip distance apart, arms down. Take an inhale. Exhale, curl and roll up. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll down. Again, just like that, just reorganizing for a moment. On this next one, roll up. Stay there. Take the left leg to tabletop and then straight. And now you're going to lower your hips down, up, down, up. Lots of glutes. 3, 2, 1. Switch sides when you're ready. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Roll back down. Nice job. Roll onto your right side. We're going to come up to a high elbow right here. Bring your bottom foot forward. Your top leg is lifted, toes pointed. Up and down in front, up and down behind. So here's where we get a little more of that hip mobility. 4, definitely getting some cardio here too. Your heart rate is probably up a little bit, mine is. Last one. Okay, bring it behind, stay there. Turn towards the top of your mat. See, I'm bringing both hands down and I'm gonna lift and twist. Now lower and lift the back leg and up. Okay, so I've got twisting and extension in the spine. Last 2. And 1. Nice job. Cartwheel up and over. And we have another side to do. High elbow on the left. Bottom leg straight at the top portion of the mat. Top leg reaches out and then point the toes up, forward, up, back. And if you are an athlete, endurance athlete, professional athlete, amateur, rec league, anything where you're doing any kind of sports or activity, Pilates actually can help so much. It can make you better at your sport. So incorporating things like this into your weekly routine can do a lot to help with injury prevention, with health, with stamina, with power, and all those fun things. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to bring it behind and then turn towards the top of my mat. My right hand comes down. Left hand comes down. Oh, twist, lower and lift, and up for 4. 3, really kick the back leg up. 2, 1. Nice job. Come up and over. We're going to turn to face the top of the mat again. Legs are now going to be mat distance apart. Arms out to a T, okay? Sit up nice and tall again. Twist to your left and then dive forward like you're going to saw off your pinky toe with your pinky finger. Okay, back up and then twist to the other side. Dive, lift, untwist. I'm going to add on. So twist, dive forward, lift up, come back. And as you do, lift your hips and reach back. Nice. In, and then untwist to center. So I'm going to twist to the right. I'm going to come forward first. Then I lift through center. Then I just go back and lean into kind of this reverse plank and back in. And we're going to do that again on each side. Twist, dive, restack, and then just go right back to cartwheel yourself back. Nice. Twist, forward, up. Oh, that breeze here feels good because I'm getting warm. In, and then back to center. Arms in front, forward, stretch, and lift yourself up. Squeeze the legs together. One more time. Inhale, exhale, curl, roll yourself back down. Reach your arms back. Sweep them to your sides. Bend your knees, feet flat. Take your inhale. Exhale, curl, roll yourself up. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll back down. Squeeze both knees in and let your arms come out to a T and your knees fall to the left and you're going to look to the right. And then use your center to bring the legs back to center. And then legs go to the right as you look to the left. Back to center. Squeeze the knees in one more time. Bring your chin up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze everything in as much as you can. And then arms reach back, legs reach out. And just relax. Take one more inhale. Exhale, let it out. And you are now ready for the rest of your workout or the rest of your day. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you on your mat soon.